why a free blog is not really a good idea. So, you were thinking about setting up a blog and you don't know where to go. Well, hi, my name is Irene and I want to give you a few tips on what to look for and to be wary of with these free sites. Number one, if you really want to just share your ideas, your how-to videos, recipes, and you're just looking to have followers follow you and just share all this stuff going back and forth, then a free blog is the way to go. But once you start using your blog as an income stream, say you want to promote a product or a service, a lot of these free sites can actually shut you down. They can, because you're using their service and they have a lot of stipulations, so you really need to read the fine print. That is my take on free sites. Now, if you really want to use a blog as an income stream and you want to promote your product or services, I strongly recommend you to use the Kalatu blogging system. This system it only costs you $25 a month. And I believe in the old saying, you get what you pay for. So for $25 a month, you have full control. You can change everything around. You have side banners. You have a header. You have a footer. You could add pictures, everything. It's fully automated for you and easy for even beginners to get started. So I urge you to take a look at it. Just click the link below. Get started today, and I will see you on the inside. Don't hesitate. Having a blog is the best thing that you could ever do for yourself. So I'll see you on the inside. Bye.